guys, let's go here in my bedroom still. I want to show you my haul of Matchbox today that I got. So I'll show you them. I can't open them because I want to make it a quick video. So let's get stuck into it. I'm excited. Yeah, let's do this. First up, we've got the food truck. It's not actually called the food truck, but I call it the food truck. As you all know, me, I love food trucks. This one's red, green tint, green front bar, chrome underneath, black wheels. I got two more because I want to customize it. I want to paint the food in it. So I got three of them. Got the one that everyone's chasing. Don't know why. It's the Audi. It's got good tampos at the front. Nice tampos at the back. Black underneath. 5-spoke. Silver. Clear windows. Metallic blue. Sunroof. Quite nice car. I got three because I'm going to customize two, possibly. It's got really nice wheels. As you can see, they're a bit rough around the edges. And everyone's trying to get this one. I don't know why. But I got three now because no one helps me. I got this little Cambo little ute. It's green, black tint, light black tint. Tampos at the sides, quite nice. Got the rough wheels again. Nothing at the back. Dark greeny grey underneath. I thought that was unusual, so I grabbed it. Maybe that comes off, I'm not sure. I got this armoured truck because I like the graphics on the side, and I don't have any armoured trucks and I see them all the time, so I thought, oh, I'll just grab one. No tampos at the front. It's black tinted windows, plain white car with tampos on it, 5-spoke rims, silver, dark underneath, black, no tampos at the back. It's quite a nice looking car. And because I don't have much in police, I got this one, the swap police vehicle. Silver at the front, black 5 spokes. It's a dark black grey car with SWAT and police tampos on the sides. Little siren, dark blue tint. Don't know what's going on with the back. Maybe that's glass, don't know. Silver underneath. It's got the rough wheels. Quite a nice looking car. I like Humvees. So I got this one, stretch Humvee. Don't have many of them, so I got it. Plain white Humvee. Black tinted windows. Yeah, it's got tampos along the side, 5 spokes. No, I think there's 6 spokes, sorry. Black underneath. No tampos at the front. No tampos at the back. And that's a Humvee. Then I went out old school and saw this one. Mercedes Benz Wagon. It's got some tampos at the front. Pale green colour, if you could say. It's got tampos at the back. See-through windows. Cream interior. Don't know what wheels you could call them. Silver rims. Grey underneath. Sunroof. Quite nice looking Mercedes Benz. Didn't have any fire engines, so I picked this one up. Fire lighter. No tampos at the front. Nothing at the back. It's a red metallic. Tampos all over the sides. Same rims as a Mercedes. Black underneath. Silver on the top. Plain silver finish. Fireliner M2106 rescue vehicle. Quite nice. I got this little one. My friend was talking about it today, that he used to drive one, so I figure, hey, I'll get it. It's nothing that I really would collect, but something different. Little street cleaner. Blue windows. Silver rims. Black, grey underneath. All white and tampos on the sides. Not sure if that little bit comes up or not at the back. Maybe. Blue on the top. Quite nice little car. Street sweeper. Mini sweeper. Security. Don't know it would do much. I got this one. And I thought, oh yeah, this is quite nice. Ford F550. I'm not sure if it's a Coast Guard one or a fire engine one. Comment down below and tell me. There's no tampos on the front. No tampos on the back. It's a yellow vehicle with yellow rims, but silver on the back, on the tray. Black see-through tent. Grey interior. Black underneath. So it says it's a rescue vehicle. I think it's a fire engine one, but it could be a Coast Guard one as well, because it doesn't say. Comment down below and tell me. That's quite nice, that one. It's a shame that the fire engine. It's a shame that the lights on the roof are black. Would have been nice if they were like that. But you can't win them all. Nissan Triton, and I thought, oh yeah, I like that, so I got it. Tampos at the front, little bit of tampos at the back, black see-through tint, and I think it's a black interior. It's a silver metallic. 5-spoke silver rims, light grey underneath. A sunroof, if you can see the sunroof. Yeah, I didn't have a Triton, so I thought, hey, it's quite nice. And I thought I'd get another one so then I could modify it or something. Really make the front stand out. It says Triton on the front. It's got little hornet scoops at the front. It's quite nice. And then I got this one because it was, I don't know, I just liked it. I only got one. I could have got two, but no, I only got one. Just wanted one. It's a Chevy. And yeah, I like the tampos at the back. And I like the tampos at the front. That's why I got it. 5 spokes, I think. Rims, silver. It's a dark silver metallic. It's got roof racks on it. Spare wheel at the back. See-through black smoky tint. It's got a duck there as well on the side there. It's got side mirrors, which is pretty cool. Not all of them have side mirrors, but the Matchbox seem to. Black underneath. Yeah, I quite liked it, so I got it. But I only wanted one. Chevy, 16 Chevy. Colorado, Extreme, Off-Road. Yeah. It's got a little, it's got everything on it you need. Bull bars at the back. Most probably has a roll cage in it too. Yeah, it's quite a nice looking car. Next we have got this last one. 18 Dodge Charger. I'll take it out. I'm excited, yeah. It's dark green, metallic, greeny yellow, 5-spoke black rims, tampos at the back, tampos at the front, see-through, windows, clear, grey interior, black underneath, and it's ready to charge. It's quite nice as well. Well, there's my cars. Alright guys, tell me your favourites. Tell me which ones that you like the best. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and please watch me and tell your friends about me. Subscribe, comment and like down below. Alright guys, I want to at least get 30 views a video if I can. Please. Please help me. Makes me happy. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and follow me on SoundCloud, please. That's important too, my music. That keeps me happy, because I was depressed until I found that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember, stay awesome, stay cool, stay super cool, mate. Thanks for watching guys, I'm Lash Go. See you next time. Bye.